Hi guys, so this is month 10. I know I've been gone for quite some time and I have tried to edit this video several times. However, I have not been successful at doing so, and I spoke with my mom and she told me why I probably couldn't finish this video. This is the month my brother died and I couldn't successfully edit this video. And my mom said it's him possibly thinking I'm going to forget about him or something like that to that nature.
Bro, I ain't never gonna forget about you.
I didn't record any actual footage of me retwisting, but I can link my video down below. I barely got any footage. I didn't do my hair none this month. I love a good comparison shot. So I noticed I used a lot of clips on this retwist. Wow, my hair was 2-strand twist at one point. It's crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Those are my length goals. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.